Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. In this video, we will learn 10th standard second language English model question paper 3. First and second model question papers are already discussed and uploaded in our channel. If you want, you can go through. And this is third model question paper. Now we shall see 16 questions from first to 16 are about grammar. So shall see one by one. The first one is question tag. So in the question tag, two rules will be there. If they have given positive statement, we should do negative question tag. Or else they gave negative statement, we should do positive question tag. Here, Ghana was playing with her friends. So, positive statement, we should do negative one. Take this helping verb was and the negative one not and Ghana, she. Pronoun for the noun, wasn't she. Answer is wasn't she. And read the conversation and fill in the blank with the correct if clause. So if clause means model verbs can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might. So these only will come here in this conversation. Suji, did you catch the bus? Prema, no, I missed it. Suji, if you had gone in time, had gone. So that is past tense. You would have dash got the bus. Answer is would have. Next, read the conversation and choose the correct infinitive. Infinitive means to verb. To verb. So that is to walk, to run, to jump, to eat, to like that. So Arvind, why did you come here? Naresh, I wanted to talk to you. Want to talk. So that is to talk answer to verb. Read the given conversation and choose the language function. Language function means here they give a conversation, whether there in that conversation greeting, order, requesting, permission, commanding, like this language function will there, should find it out. So here in this one, father, good morning son, son, very good morning dad. So here, good morning, these are morning, afternoon, evening, night, these are greetings. Answer is say greeting. Do as directed. Fill in the blank with the appropriate tense form of the verb given in bracket. So appropriate tense. So tense. Which tense of this sentence is the first? Students were dash be plus right. Answer when the teacher called them. So students were. If students dash be place right, they gave a should write students were they gave for this B, and you should write fill here written. Answer is written. Students were written. Answer when the teacher called them. Answer. Next, fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. Preposition means see position, showing the position of a noun or pronoun. So Rajesh bought a gift dash his friend's birthday for his friend's birthday. Answer is for. Fill in the blank using suitable linker. So linker means conjunction, so joining two sentences. Ravi went to Mysore because. Answer is because his dad is not well. Answer is because. Next, fill in the blanks, choosing the appropriate words given in the bracket. Words. So they gave here should choose a right word. So spells are missed. I have a sight problem. Sorry, sight problem. This one, this one, and I don't know why is it. Means he can't see. So that problem is not known for him. Next, combine the words in column A. Collocative. Collocative means verb which is a meaningful verb. Table, pen, cloth, book, bag. Table, cloth. Table, pen, table, bag, table, book can't be. So table, cloth. Like this only they will have suitable verb. The tense is jumbled. Rearrange it in a meaningful sentence. Park is beautiful, a Lal Bagh. See, answer is Lal Bagh is a beautiful park. This one should arrange it. Lal Bagh is a beautiful park. Next, which one of the following words has two syllables? Syllable means vowel sound. Vowel sound. Beautiful. Three syllables are there. Mat one, ego two, pen one. So, ego. Two syllables are there. A and O. Here, pen one, mat one, but B E A one, T I two, U L one, three. Write the correct form of word given in the bracket. So this one answer. Syllable sound, ego. Next question, write the correct form of a word given in the bracket. Every student should have dash attitude. Correct word, science attitude, not scientific attitude. Answer is scientific attitude. Scientific attitude. Read the following conversation and arrange the underlined sentence into passive sentence. Sorry, passive sentence. Active and passive sentences. So here they give, so they give active. Usually they give active should make to a passive statement. So here, Raju, I bought a new car. Here underline, this one should do passive. Is it right? For active and passive, should changes tenses with nouns and pronouns. This, a new car. A new car bought. Sorry, car bought by me. Answer is a new car bought by me. Next, choose the following statement in comparative degree. 3 degrees are there: positive, comparative, superlative. For positive, has will come, comparative, other than, superlative, est form will come. So here, Pawan is the most brilliant boy in the class. So it is positive. Should write comparative one. Pawan is the most brilliant boy than other students in the class. Answer is Pawan is the most brilliant boy other than in the other than other students in the class. Once again, Pawan is the most brilliant boy than other students in the class. Next, advised, using word advise as a noun, and should write your own sentence. Advise can make a sentence easily. Next, fill in the blank using the correct article. Sneha is intelligent girl in the class. Sorry, Sheila. Sheila is an intelligent. Here we shall come that an. an intelligent girl in the class. Following paragraph has two errors. Edit it and rewrite. Clues given. So two clues, capital and verbal mistake. Last Sunday came. Last Sunday we have been to Mysore. Capital here came. They only recorrected. We visit KRS, one of the beautiful places visited. ED or visited KRS, one of the beautiful places of the city. Next. Question answers 3. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. 2 mark questions. Why did Baleshwar revisit the spot where Roma had fallen? After admitting her into the hospital, so he revisits railway station to collect her purse, bag, mobile. Why do you say that Don Anselmo was man of principles? Whenever he visits or he came to the office, he bowed to each and everyone and he inquires them how was the weather and how was the parent children are there. So those are the principles and how he behaves that also. And why do you think that Smita's mother cautioned her not to make noise? So early, very early in that lesson, when she was when she was read newspaper about the concert, so she make noise. She called loudly. So that time she cautioned her not to make noise, to not to disturb him. Why did Satish need with an accident? Sir, sorry, why did not? How did that? This is not need met. How did Satish met with an accident? So when he went to Kashmir with his father and brother while crossing bridge, Arcata bridge, so he met. Write the qualities of George Player. George Player, a block man who was coming from heaven and who God has sent to play jazz music. So those qualities. Babu and Manju were a bit disappointed with the way students were marching. What was the reason? The reason was nothing, just the march was so disciplined and silence, and there was no shouts. There were no shouts, and there were no slogans, and nothing. They simply went and they gave warn and returned back. Just they gave a letter to DCP there and returned back. Next, why had Patil, the sub-inspector, came to Mohan's house to save them, to collect crystal mission um, and to save them? That he heard, so he came to know that today night or that day night, the investigation or the policers used to visit Patil's house, sorry, Mohan's house. So that's why Patil came to save them. What did Hanif choose as his mission? Why did he do so? So joining to the army was his mission. And why? And because he had interest. And next question, sorry, or else this can write. Life for Hanif in the beginning was never a smooth sail. Why is it? Why was it so? See, because when he was at the age of 8 years old, he lost his father, and mother was a musician who was always busy and was touring. So he had to take care of his younger brothers. That's why. And he had faced many difficulties at that time. Those were the difficulties. Next, answer the following questions in 5 or 6 sentences each. How do you say that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a ferocious raider? Two examples can give. When he was in USA, he bought 2,000 books, and when he was visited England for roundtable conferences, he sent 32 boxes of books by spending his money, his pocket money, which is kept for food or for dinner or for food. So he, instead of spending for food, he spent to buy books. This shows how he was ferocious raider. Next, 26th. Write about gist of the poem, The Song of India. So in the Song of India, V.K. Gokak was tried to sing or praised Mata, Bharat Mata, but she told what to sing. You can write. Read the following extracts. Can I have a lamp burning in the room? That is first lesson. Swami, the hero. Your speaker is Swami. Why did he speak to? So his father commanded him to sleep in his office room. So why did he do so? Speaker. So it was a tricky to escape that. So he told that mosquitoes and scorpions and all there, but he did not allow. At that time he told, can I have a lamp and light? My sister injured, please help me. Take her to a hospital. Baleshwar Mishra. Sister Roma Telraja requested years of Baleshwar because she met an accident while traveling in a train. That's why. Though his legs healed, my remark weak, sir. They remained weak, required several operations on them. This is colors of silence. Who is the speaker here? Ma- mm, Colors of silence. Who does his legs? Satish. Speaker Satish. Legs also for Satish. Why did he say so? When he met an accident, he joined to, sorry, admitted to hospital. There, several operations are did, but he was weak. Next, shall I sing? Shall I sing of Himalayas with their snow-born peaks, the trees seas that wash your palm? The poet who speaks like this, V.K. Gokak, what was the meaning? Wash your palms, cleaning the three rivers, sorry, three oceans, Arabia, Indian Ocean, and Dap Bengal, cleaning her. And why did the speaker ask so? So he asked, shall I sing this song? But she said to sing something. Given below, or given below a profile, write a paragraph using clues given below. So profile writing. Profile writing is very easy. They only will give here about person and their profession, their qualifications, hobbies, and something and something. So we should write into a paragraph. See how can we write this? Given profile is about Mrs. Shaila, and she was a Kannada lecturer at age. Her age is 52 years old, or she was 52 years old. She had two sons, and she did the qualification of Master of Arts in Kannada literature, and she had experience of 30 years in uh, Kannada lecturing, and her hobbies are gardening, reading books, and all. So you can write something extra like paragraph writing. Next, develop a story. So they used to give a story, should develop it by using helping verbs and all. So a crow made its nest in a tree near a railway signal. So you can develop the story. So it faced uh, troubles like here this story. So you can continue by using verbs. Next, study the picture given below. Write a description or an account of what picture suggests to you in a paragraph. You can write in a paragraph by seeing the picture. Here, snake charmer playing with snake. So he was blowing and the snake is playing and the boy is watching. So you can write in a paragraph. Next, memory. Two poems. They will ask two memorization poems are there. One is Quality of Mercy and Blind Boy. It is enthroned the seasons of justice, lost stanza, and you talk of wonder, night, blind boy. So you can write. Next, passage. So they will give a passage and they'll ask questions below them. You can by reading this, you can answer it. Following questions with 8 or 10 sentences. This is summarization. Summary. Grandma climbs a tree and blind boy. Jazz poem also they used to ask. So these three, Grandma climbs a tree, jazz poem, or else Blind by My Song of India. That also can ask. These four are there for summary. Anyone compulsory they'll ask. Write an essay or any one of the following topics. 4 marks. Environmental pollution, disadvantages of mobile phones, importance of agriculture, etc. These some are important essays or essay topic. COVID-19 crisis and the use of internet or mobile phones because of we are using online and offline classes and heavily these for especially for this crisis in this COVID crisis we are addicted for mobile. They used to ask. Next, imagine that you are Sureka or Surya studying 10th standard SVPH school, Sarjapur. I imagine girls as Sureka, boys as Surya can write a letter, writing a letter, personal and professional. That is two. Formal and informal also are there. Write a letter to your friend requesting him or her attend your sister's marriage. This is personal. To your headmaster requesting to issue for TC and marks cards. So for informal, for writing friend, father, mother, or brother. For relatives, writing to relatives, you can write only body. So what you want to write, you can write it up. But formal should follow some steps to from date requesting sir or madam, respected sir or madam, mainly respected sir and madam, subject. So here what we want can write subject, so why we are writing, and later body of the letter. So reasons, many things, explanation about that letter. At last, your student, your obedient, your sincerely, your loyalty, anything can write respectful words. This is model question paper. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.